Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and today we're going to talk about March. You know, they say, in like a lion and out like a lamb, and we have a craft packet for you, and in the craft packet you have a cool coloring sheet with a lion and a lamb. We have a poem for you this week. We have a little bitty writing activity, and you're going to say, well, how you think March came in and how you think it went out. And then we have something pretty cool. Lion and lamb adjectives. Those are descriptive words, and they're words like quiet, loud, soft, scary. And you're going to cut and paste to do that. So those are your activities for this week. In your kit this week, there are a lot of things. And when you dump it out, be careful because you have some itty bitty eyes in there. And these are all the things that you're going to need to make your craft. And would you like to know what it is? Oh, well, guess what? In like a lion, out like a lamb. You're going to make yourself a little stick puppet. And the yellow, this is a cupcake liner. The yellow liner is for the for the lion. The white one is for the lamb, and you just do them like this and make them kind of flat. And then you do a face for the lamb, and all you really have to do is glue two googly eyes on. They're in here. And cut your yarn and put it all the way around it and make a pretty little lion face. Now, for the lamb, you take the lamb's face, put your googly eyes on. You need this kind of white glue so they'll stick. And then you take your cotton balls, and this is what I did. I kind of pulled them apart a little bit so they look a little bit fluffier. Oh, yes. And then you just put them all around the edge of this little liner. And so when you're finished, you have a lamb and you have a lion. And that's your craft for this week. And you can say, in like a lion, out like a lamb, or in like a lamb, out like a lion. Have fun and have a really nice month for March. Bye, guys.